What is cool about this event is how often can you have 1,000 people show up on the beach and run into the water in crazy outfits and say that it's in support of a homeless shelter. Hi, my name is Tara Salinas. I'm the Executive Director of Samuel's House. Polar Plunge was started by one of our amazing supporters, Marcia Conley, and she was from up north, and she decided we needed a polar plunge in Key West because there was nothing like it at the time. And we don't have Arctic waters, but we choose to reinvent that and welcome people into the chilly waters here at this time of year. The money that we raise goes to support all of our programs. Everything stays in-house, so we have an emergency shelter for women and children, open 365 days a year, 24/7. We have that staffed constantly, and we are usually full. We also have permanent supportive housing for afterwards for families, women with kids, and then also fathers with children, and then intact families. All the money we raise stays in-house and helps us with every facet of our programs. Every year at the crack of noon on Super Bowl Sunday, you will find us out here running into the ocean, running and jumping into the frigid waters. And it's super fast, so if you're coming, please come a little early because it'll be over before you know it. Still give you time to go to the Super Bowl. I invite you to come out and join us for a polar plunge if you're here in town for Super Bowl Sunday. Come on out, take the plunge with us, and help support all the homeless women, children, and families in Key West, Florida.